During the summer, I was looking if how can I make my bakasyon be more productive. That's why when I found GoTime and I worked for it, nagkaroon po ako ng fund para ma-afford ko po yung mga school supplies ko, which is very helpful po ngayon na nag-aaral ako. And also, nakabili po ako ng dream ko po na cabinet for my modules and even my school needs. Hi, I'm Hans, GoTime Bank Ambassador.
Grade po kayo ng passport.
Passcode po, 6 digit po yan, ma'am. Our job as bank ambassadors is to assist clients and or customers through their origination sa self-service kiosk natin. Create an account po, sir. Ayan, yung may blue-green po. Ito. Since I was designated in the Robinson Supermarket, nakikipag-communicate ako sa mga shoppers. And sa una pa lang, we are introducing GoTime na yung mga benefit niya, especially the times 3 Go Rewards. And sasabihin po ng mga shoppers na, ay, may Go Rewards na ako. And then, ang sasabihin ko po is, maganda po yung Go Rewards, pero mas maganda po if you use GoTime kasi nagta-times 3 po siya. And then, sa start po ng conversation na yon, nagiging interested na po yung customer hanggang sa mahikayat na po mag-originate po sa kiosk. Then, pindutin niyo yung deposit, sir. Ito po yung account name niyo, sir, ni ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Hans Christian po from GoTime Bank. Para sa mga moms naman po, they are surprised and also happy kasi yung Go Rewards po nila is nagta-times 3, lalo na po yung mga suki po ng Robinson Supermarket. Having GoTime Bank po kasi is a big help for us, especially for us as students, because I'm a working student. Yung features po ng GoSave, it really helps us to fraction our budget, especially when we have specific goals na pinag-iipunan. During the summer, I was looking if how can I make my bakasyon be more productive. That's why when I found GoTime and I worked for it, nagkaroon po ako ng fund para ma-afford ko po yung mga school supplies ko, which is very helpful po ngayon na nag-aaral ako. And also, nakabili po ako ng dream ko po na cabinet for my modules and even my school needs po. Nung una po kasi, nag-pop up lang sa Facebook ko yung GoTime Bank community group. And then nag-join pa ako. And then I was able to express po yung happiness sa ibang tao din para malaman nila na ganito kasi sa GoTime. And then when I woke up, hindi ko po in-expect na yung notification ko po is sumasabog na po ng comments, even private messages, and reactions po. And nakita ko po doon na marami pong nagko-congratulate and they're happy. And parang they're looking forward for my success in the future. I am a third-year student, Bachelor of Public Administration. From kinder to grade 10, I was rank 1. So when I was in elementary, I was a valedictorian. And during this college, I also maintained good grades po. The fact that I am being listed as a university scholar and I receive scholarships po from the school. Maintaining the grades po na for Latin qualifies us to become university scholar or college scholar. One of my dreams is to graduate with Latin honor despite still having hardship in life and despite working. Hindi naman po nagiging kumbaga hindrance ang work para makapag-study. Masarap po siya sa pakiramdam na hindi lang po yung sarili ko yung natutulungan ko, but also those people na who availed GoTime. Masarap din po sa pakiramdam na nakakatulong tayo in a way na nasasabi natin kung paano gamitin si GoTime and also kung paano pa makakatulong yung GoTime sa future nila. When we help people, when we help our customers, yung kindness, dapat yun yung pinakaunang nabibigay natin sa kanila. We have to seek for their needs with kindness and answer their queries with kindness. Being kind without expecting anything in return can make our world a better place to live in.